there's so many S1K owners who don't know that shit, bro? This is the camera that IMK films on.
Alright, welcome back to the video, guys. It's your boy Hollywood here, and today we are on our way to Txsuperbikes right now. Back on the loaner bike. I'm leaning this bitch one-handed just because, you know, of course, the group's leaving me. You know, they be like the ride, man. I do be wanting to chill sometimes, and that's okay, you know. Bro, I will never get over the fucking planes in Dallas, bro. Like, they are freaking, I don't know, there's just something majestic about having planes fly over you when you're on the interstate. Like, it makes for good rollers and, like, content in general. Like, that's just beautiful, bro. Yeah, hopefully everybody from earlier today, yesterday's video, or sorry, last week's video is going to be there. So let's see if we can lean this bitch, okay? Knee down, knee down. I gotta be careful, this fucking concrete road is a little slick. It ain't like no asphalt. Alright, yeah, we mobbing. We're gonna get there a little bit early so we can get somewhere to park. Man, Ghost and Quiet have fucked the city up back to back to back days. This is day 3, later on in the afternoon. This is the event for tonight. So, but today was the longest day ever. This was the first day I have not had my damn nap in quite a long time. So I'm going off of Zens, spearmint gum, and hopes and dreams. I got on my Quiet hoodie. Well, it's not mine, it's my boy Moon's hoodie. I borrowed it from him. It says come get me on the back. I did buy one that my guys are wearing that has Texas on the back. The Quiet / Ghost collab. I'm not even surprised that they cost that much, but I was like, damn. You know, they're pretty sought after, so they can put whatever price tag they want to put on it. I'm still gonna buy it, you know. Man, just look at this freaking beautiful scenery, man, coming through. I guess this is downtown area. I'm not exactly too sure. I lost my group once again. But this is freaking beautiful, bro. Like, we don't have nothing like this in Alabama. So it's always great to, like, branch out and travel a little bit, see different things. God, man, I love it. All the high rises, I love it. Alright, we made it to the meet. There's already a good little group here. Got R7, R6, got a bunch of shit here actually. I might be, my next bike, I might have to send it here so I can be a little fast boy. Even though the bike's probably gonna be fast already, and then of course, I'll do a couple mods myself. But yeah, hopefully it's gonna be a good turnout.
Another S1K owner that doesn't know how to turn on the daytime running lights or the LEDs in the front.
Key off and wait. Hold it on. You on? Yep. Alright, let go. There you go. Good tip for you guys. What the fuck?
Bro, how are there so many S1K owners who don't know that shit, bro? Alright, we out here. Everybody is pulled up. There's fucking bikes everywhere. I want to show you guys this one Aprilia that is fucking insane. This shit's beautiful. Got the paint matched wheels. This shit is crazy, bro. I love it. S1Ks have pulled up over here. We got the red, white, and blue. We got Phantom's bike, or my buddy from ATL. We got Monster Racing's bike. This is America. It's America, baby. Fucking perfect. So something you never see anywhere at any meet is literally KTM RC8, and one just pulled up. I'm losing my mind over here. Like, you never see them anywhere. We got Moto Lounge V4S right here. Beautiful. Of course. Big things coming to the channel. Hint, hint. Hint, hint. Dude, I love this undertail exhaust. Dude, that thing is sick, bro. Fast boys just pulled up. They in the building. We got MBT back there with his tent set up. We'll go holler at Nick in a minute. You want to be in the video?
What's up? It's your boy, Dingleberry.
Shout out your Instagram or something.
Ant Gills, Ant.Gills on Insta, Ant Gills on TikTok.
Man, go follow him up. What in the fuck are you doing?
I'm getting a shot.
Oh my god. Well, the cops showed up. They just got into a freaking foot pursuit with somebody. And I'll give this another maybe 10, 15 minutes. This shit's gonna be shut down. Unfortunately, another night shut down.
How's it feel?
Feels like I'm holding a lot of money.
Well, get this man his stand.
No, don't do that.
That's a setup right there.
Thank you.
This is the camera that IMK films on.
Oh, this guy you're talking about.
Yeah, Steve.
Let's go, man.
I'm Connor.
Hey, Steve, buddy. How you doing? Thoughts?
I think I need one.
Yeah, you
But
do.
I'm broke.
That looks kind of crispy, I'm not gonna
It's
lie.
not bad.
It is kind of crispy for a little $500 camera.
That's about $500.
What's the
Nah.
colors?
I don't know, honestly. I don't want to think about it.
We got this beautiful, beautiful H2 right here. Look at all this. I was trying to get over here earlier, but there's that piece. Very, very interesting. Go give him a follow. Right there. There's so many people leaving. I wonder if it's getting shut down. I mean, after that foot pursuit, me personally, I would call it a night, but I kind of want to stay and see what it kind of unfolds, you know? You know what you did, just walk right. Yo, what are you doing?
Oh
over
yeah,
here?
come on now.
Right?
Content.
You don't record this
Let's
type of
get
stuff.
content,
Come on,
dog.
man.
You get everything. That's your bathroom.
Yeah,
Talk
for
to
real.
the best.
my bad, I'm sorry.
That'd have been a good video.
Yeah, it would've.
It's good, man.
I was gonna wrap up with the video. Suzuki Dave got chased to a parking lot, got his bike towed. He's back there on the tow truck. Tow truck driver actually didn't fuck it up. He actually got on there pretty nicely. He was pretty jerky with the movements though, I'll give him that. But yeah, man, if you guys liked the video, hit like, comment, subscribe, share this out with everybody that didn't make it, so you can make themselves feel more worse than what they need to be if they didn't make it. As always, wear your gear, ride safe, keep chasing greatness, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.
Oh my God. There's so much going on. What? Alright, so we're confirmed going to Chili's.